So, guys, for people who wants to make create a video and fast forward it on Canva, this video is for you. So to go to Canva, go to Canva. Let's assume you have a video you want to fast forward, but for the purpose of this video, we don't have any video. Let's use Canva video on dog. Oh, let's say videos. I'm looking for a video on Canva. Okay, so these are videos. Let's look for the free one, the free version. Okay, we can use this, put it here and set it as your video background, and then you play it. Okay. So if you want to make this video to be slow, you go to playback and take it to the end, and let's see what happens. Sometimes if you want the same video to be fast, we take the same video and paste here, set it as our background, click on it, make sure you've clicked on the video and go to playback and take it to 2. And let's see what happens. Do you see how fast it is? Yes. All right, thank you.